Historical POV videos are absolutely exploding right now. Just take a look at this page. They gained over 30,000 followers with only 9 videos, and their most popular videos have over 5 million views. That's pretty incredible. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create videos like these step by step. But before we get started, check out this demo video I made in less than 5 minutes. Take a look.
Good morning, patrolman. And to you, stay vigilant.
Your footwork is slow. Drive harder through the gravel.
Best quality today. Keep the formation steady. Clear the path immediately. Advance forward.
All right, now let's jump into it. To create videos like these, first open the master prompt from the description below. Copy the entire prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit run. A few seconds later, ChatGPT will give you 5 historical eras to choose from. You can pick whichever one you like. And if you already have a different idea in mind, just type it in and run it. For this example, I'm choosing option number 5. Now hit run. Next, ChatGPT will ask you to select a country or region. For this tutorial, I'm choosing option number 2, Tokyo. Now hit run again. After that, ChatGPT will ask what role you want to play in the video. You'll see a bunch of different options. For this example, I'm choosing option number 1. Now hit run. ChatGPT will generate image prompts and image to video prompts for you. Now let's create the images. Head over to the Flow website, choose your aspect ratio, and set the model to Nano Banana Pro. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 1. Return to Flow, paste it in, and hit run. After a short wait, your first image will be ready. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image to video prompt for scene 1. Return to Flow, switch to the video section, upload the image, paste the prompt, and hit run. A few minutes later, your first video clip will be ready. Here's the result. Now repeat the process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, paste it into Flow, and hit run. Once the image is ready, copy the image to video prompt for scene 2. Head back to Flow, upload the image, paste the prompt, and hit run. A few minutes later, your second video clip will be ready as well. Now just follow the exact same steps for all the remaining scenes. Once everything is finished, import all the clips into your editing software, arrange them in order, and export the project. And that's it. Your final video is ready. And by the way, you'll find the master prompt in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future viral AI niche videos. All right, I'll see you in the next video.